Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to fit timing chain kit. Before working on the engine, always disconnect the battery to avoid any electric related injuries. The valve timing procedures are as shown. The first step is to rotate the camshaft until the arrow on the gear is facing up and the hole in the gears sits at the bottom. Place camshaft, sprocket, timing pin or a drill bit through the gear hole to stop the gear from moving. Camshaft timing is crucial as they push the valves open and close as they turn, and this is important in combustion. When placing the pin in the gear, make sure that they are not at the end of slotted holes. Lock the flywheel to its position using a sprocket or a bolt. The groove of the crankshaft flywheel alignment is different, therefore you can identify where the position is. Now it's time to put the chain. On the chain there should be two black colored chain. Link the two black colored chain with the up arrow and the camshaft gear. Camshaft and crankshaft sprockets are essentially gears, linked by a timing chain. Together, they keep the respective shafts operating in synchronicity. If the shafts are out of alignment, P0016 error code will pop up and engine will fail to start. This is due to crankshaft position and the camshaft position are out of alignment by a certain number of degrees, causing to become incorrect correlation. Loosen the gears using 13mm. Now it's time to fit the timing chain guide on tensioner. This guide is not a screw but rather a hole where the guide fits and the tensioner below stretches the guide to the chain. The guide on the right side has two 8mm bolts. You can tighten the bolt as it won't affect the timing. Over time, the timing chain stretches due to internal component wear. The chain tensioner or the guides that are connected to the timing chain may wear out as well, causing the timing chain to fail completely. If the chain fails, the vehicle will not run at all. Now it's time for the tensioner. The tensioner has two 8mm bolts. You can tighten the bolts using a ratchet as it won't affect the timing. If the tensioner were to fail, there would be nothing keeping the chain in place. If the timing chain isn't in place and breaks while the vehicle is running, the valves will be open and the piston will hit the valves, causing the vehicle to stop running almost immediately. Now install the top guide using two 8mm bolts. Do not turn the crankshaft counterclockwise as there is the risk of the timing belt jumping a tooth as the tight side of the belt is relaxed and the slack side tightened. Tighten 13mm bolts of camshaft gears using manufacturer's tightening torque specification. Once the top guide is placed, it's time to remove the tensioner pin. This step is important as you need to push the guide to the tensioner pin and then slowly release the tensioner pin so the tensioner does not spring. You have now fitted the timing chain kit. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.